This brand is made in Mexico and is sold by dealers in the USA. All of the units feature a durable baked-on finish for the outdoor units as well as refrigerant leak detection. They are backed by a very good guarantee when promptly registered. The Legacy Line 37 MHRAC models are air conditioners with a 22.2 SEER rating, while the 37 MHRAQ models are heat pumps with a 22.4 SEER. They are available in either 115 volt or 208/230 volt systems and are used with the high wall indoor units. The indoor units have 4 fan speeds and a coated coil to resist corrosion. The remote control can be used as a temperature sensor and includes a turbo mode for quick cooling. The preferred Series 37 MGRA models have a 25.2 SEER efficiency and can serve up to 5 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. They can be used with either high wall or ceiling cassette indoor units. The Evolution Series 37 MPRA models are ultimate heat pumps with a 35.1 SEER efficiency rating, and they are very quiet in operation. The indoor units have a built-in occupancy sensor for energy savings as well as built-in Wi-Fi, so they can be controlled by smartphone. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic category. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacForBeginners.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HvacRepairGuy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.